So we put stain on the cypress wood just to make it look a bit older, and then we will apply several coats of varnish till we get to a nice, smooth, finished steak. And then we'll reassemble all the pieces back in the boat.
So tell me, John, what's different about this pile over here?
Well, these have 2 or 3 coats of varnish on them. These pieces, this is a seat piece. These are made up for floorboards, which will all have to be assembled into sections, and they will still need 3 or 4 more coats of varnish before we'll be finished. We sand a little bit in between coats, and then it works out as a very nice protective finish.